In this session, we will try to understand different types of the questions which are asked in GRE exam. Specifically, I prepared this video for the quantitative aptitude. I will be preparing one more video on the detail of this GRE exam. So today we will try to understand quantitative aptitude ये section में GRE के किस तरह के questions पूछे जाते हैं. Okay, now let us start. This is the first type of questions which is asked in GRE exam. That is quantitative comparison questions. यहाँ पे आपको दो quantities की comparison करना होता है, and then for that you have given some information. Now the information is like that: the average, that is arithmetic mean, high temperature for X days is 70 degrees. The addition of one day with the high temperature of 75 degree increases the average to 71 degrees. So this is the question on average. Now you have to find the value of X. Okay, you have to find the value of X and you have to compare this value with this 5. So if quantity X is greater, then your answer will be quantity A is greater. If 5 is greater, then your answer will be quantity B is greater. If the both quantities are equal, then your answer will be C. And if relation cannot be determined, then your answer will be option number D. Now, we know the average of X days is 70. So the total temperature of X days will be 70X. The high temperature, now the high temperature is 75. Addition of one day, that temperature is 75. Then average becomes what? 71 degrees. 71 degrees. So average is increased by 1. So here, this is the total of X plus 1 days, and this is equal to 71. If you solve this equation, what you will get? 70x plus 75, that is equal to 71x plus 71. So effectively you will get X value as 4. So X value is 4, this B is 5. So what is your answer? The quantity B is greater. Quantity is B is greater. So question average का ही है my dear friends, but सिर्फ उसको आपको compare करना है. Good. Now this is the second question. What is the instructions given? A and B are integers. A and B are integers. Now we know that what is integers are. Integers are those numbers which are present on number line. So number line is divided into two parts by 0. We have positive numbers on the right hand side and we have negative numbers on the left hand side. -1, -2, -3, like that. Okay. Now A square is equal to B square. Now this is true only in case of 1. 1 square is equal to 1 cube. But we don't know the exact value of A and B. If you don't know the exact value of A and B, you cannot able to compare this quantity A and B. So the correct answer for this is relation cannot be determined from the given information. Yes, my dear friends. So this is the first type of the question, that is quantitative comparison in quantitative aptitude of GRE. Now, the second type of the questions are GRE multiple choice questions. You have a multiple choice questions. You have given 5 options and you have to choose the correct option. Now, let us try to read this question. A certain pet store sells only dogs and cats. In March, store sold twice as many dogs as cats. So in March, so let us write down here, March, dog and cat. So twice dogs as cats. So if I assume the cat sold as X, then dog sold will be 2x. In April, the store sold twice the number of dogs sold in March. So how many dogs sold in March? That is 2x. So the dogs sold in April will be 4x. And 3 times the number of cats that it sold in March. So number of cats sold in March X, then the number of cats sold in April will be 3x. If the total number of the store sold in March and April is combined as 500. So you have to add up all this. So addition of all this. If you add all this number, what you will get? 10x is equal to 500. From this you will get x is equal to 50. So इससे आपका आंसर आ जाएगा my dear friends. So what they are asking, how many dogs did the store sell in March? In March, store sold 2x dogs and x का value 50 है. So 2x will be 100. So your answer is option number B. Yes. Let us try to understand this question. यहाँ पे एक triangle दिया हुआ है. The triangle, the base of the triangle is x and the height of the triangle is y. What they are saying, ABC, a triangle ABC has an area of 108. We know that what is the area? Area of triangle ABC, since we know height and base also, half of height multiplied by base. X and y both are integers. Now, which of the following could be value of x? Indicate all the values. Now, this area is given 108 is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by x upon y. So, sorry, x into y. X into y will be equal to 216. Now, this implies that we want the values of x. So y is equal to 216 upon x. We want this value of y as integer. If you want the value of y as integer, then x must be the factor of 216. तो आपको x के वही values यहाँ pick up करना है, which will exactly divide 216. So 216 is divisible by 4. 216 is divisible by 6, 216 is divisible by 8 also, and 216 is divisible by 9 also. So we have to indicate all the values. So that is 4, 6, 8, 9. These are the possible values of x. The next type of the questions, my dear friend, you have to numeric, यह आपको numerical entry करनी है. कैट में भी इस तरह से क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. Each month, Ronaldo earns commission of 10.5% of his total sales for the month plus salary. Salary इतनी मिलती है उसको, fixed salary. He earns 3,500, 3,025 in a certain month. What were his total sale? Now from 3,025, if I subtract 2,500, so this is 525 is the commission he got. Commission he got. And what is the commission का rate क्या है? 100 rupees का जब sale करता है, he is getting 10.5. Now he getting 525 as a commission. What should be the sale? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो, रेशियो अगर देखते हो आप, सो दिस इज 50th मल्टीपल. 105 का 50th मल्टीपल ये है, सो यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय 50, सो यू विल गेट 5000 एज योर आंसर. सो द न्यूमेरिकल एंट्री आपको करनी है. तो उसने सेल कितना किया है? रुपीस डॉलर $5,000 का उसने सेल किया है. Okay, let us take this question now. At a certain dog show, there are 5 finalists. One of the finalists was awarded best in a show, and another finalist awarded honorable mention. In how many different ways these two awards can be given? This is the question of permutation and combination. Now, one finalist out of 5 will be selected first. So whenever there is a selection, we use combination. And after selecting one best in a show, how many will left? 4. And out of this 4, one will be honorable mention will be get selected. So these are the number of ways. These are the number of ways. So your answer must be 5C1 is the standard form. 5C1 is 5. 4C1 is 4. So 5 4s are 20. So 20 is the answer of this particular question. In this way, my dear friend, I kept this video short to make you understand what are the different kind of questions asked in GRE. कुछ भी different नहीं है. Questions उसी तरह से पूछे जाते हैं. If you are conceptually strong, then you can able to crack this GRE with the good marks, my dear friend. Okay, I hope you people enjoyed this particular session. If you really like this content, just press like button, comment what kind of videos you want from me. If you find this content is very relevant, try to share it to as many people, friends and family circles. If you are new to this channel, subscribe and don't forget to press bell icon, my dear friends. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Happy learning.